step into the GMC 2016 Canyon 2WD SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver alert package, heavy-duty trailering package, preferred equipment group 2LT, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system and radio, AM/FM stereo with 8-color touch navigation. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.